Welcome back to Han Trader channel. First of all, I apologize to you for my English. I hope my previous video has been profitable for you guys. Many people are asking me about the video of my secret strategy. If you guys want to know my secret strategy, please subscribe to my channel. I will definitely upload video of my secret strategy for you guys very soon. Today I will tell you the 10-second strategy for you, uh, which I am using. It's also profitable. uh, First of all, I'm going to the uh, candlesticks using 1 minute time frame and 10-second uh, for trade time. uh, Indicator I am using for this 10-second strategy works on this indicator help. uh, Bull's power for 10-second strategy. It's style by default setting. Style I am changing to 2 pixels for clear the uh, highlight. So first I am choosing the highest. uh, you have to read the candles and check the market trends. If they break this one, then take the lower for 10 seconds. See, uh, first you have to check the trend of the pair market. It's a downtrend. This strategy is the with the bull's power, where the bull power shows the going down. The bull power here I take the trade for 10 seconds because the bull power shows the go the level of this one, then he it goes the market down, so I have put there for lower. Let's see, take another moment for the trade. It's showing going down to take trade for 10 seconds. Bull's power shows to go down. See, bull's power shows go down and it's going down. It's a profitable deal for us. There is bull power shows going to up, but the candle is red, so it's a very profitable time here, and it's a very good moment when the bull power shows up and the red candle is a full red candle, so you take the trade on above. So let's move to another moment. Oh, lagging of the internet. I want to put here, I want to take trade here for above, but I am w- one or 2 second late to take the trade. So guys, you have to wait and watch the chart first, then you take the trade. If you take on time, you will 100% win. If you late, you lose your money. Let's watch, look a moment for a trade. Bull power shows the go down and the candle is the start. So I have take the trade here for the lower. I think it's enough for today. If you want, if you want to know my secret strategy, please subscribe my channel. I will definitely upload for you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye for until the next video.